Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a old grinder. This is the Baratza Vario. They don't make this one anymore. They do make newer versions. I think it's the Vario Plus and then the Vario W Plus. What happened with this machine is uh, there was few work that was already done to the machine before we actually got it, and then we ended up receiving the machine through the customer. For the machine would turn on, the screen would turn on, the lights would turn on, the timer would work, it would save functions. The issue was that when you hit it to start, when you hit start and the seconds go down, the grinder didn't actually turn on, the actual motor that's inside your grinder. So we opened it up. It took us a little bit of while because we were trying to navigate through Baratza, getting information, parts, but I was able to fix it on my own accord. A few things with the motherboard, we had issues on the machine. We did have to do expansive testing on different components with our multimeter, but we were able to pin it down. And yeah, so now we got it to spin. We're gonna start it. We're just gonna do one test because this machine seems a little bit modified with the burr set from how it was put in. But we're just gonna start it. As you can see, you can hear that motor running. So before it wouldn't even hum, it wouldn't do anything, like it didn't have any power to the motor. And now that we have coffee grinding, we're just gonna let it grind out. As you can see, it's grinding a bunch of beans. And again, this is gonna be the only test we do today, but that's okay. Alrighty, we're just gonna take it out and look at the coffee. Now this is a nice grind for maybe a gain there towards espresso, not fully there yet. Actually, it's pretty good espresso blend right there. As you can see, nice and smooth, doesn't feel like sand, it feels more like flour or powdered sugar on the hands. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on the channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.